This is a Bugatti-inspired masterpiece engineered to redefine what luxury travel can truly become. Elegant, futuristic, and impossibly refined, the white 6x6 motorhome stands as a symbol of precision design, advanced innovation, and unrestricted freedom. At first glance, it feels almost unreal. Its smooth aerodynamic body, flowing lines, and commanding presence make it appear less like a vehicle and more like a vision from the future. Inside the luxury showroom, surrounded by glass walls and polished reflective floors, this motorhome transforms into something extraordinary. The matte white body captures every subtle highlight, while soft LED accents emphasize its sculpted curves and architectural perfection. Every angle feels deliberate. Every detail radiates sophistication. It doesn't demand attention through aggression, it commands it through elegance. At the front, the design is unmistakably inspired by Bugatti's legendary DNA. A signature grille presence, sleek futuristic lighting, and seamless aerodynamic shaping create an identity that feels timeless yet revolutionary. As the camera moves across its full side profile, the extended 6x6 platform reveals itself with breathtaking scale. Multiple axles, massive premium wheels, and uninterrupted flowing bodywork create a structure that feels both luxurious and unstoppable. This is not simply transportation. This is motion perfected. But everything changes the moment the doors open. Step inside, and the sharp exterior gives way to a sanctuary of modern luxury. Warm ambient lighting replaces cool showroom reflections. Smooth surfaces, premium textures, and open concept architecture create an environment that feels serene, intelligent, and beautifully crafted. The transformation is immediate. Outside, engineering excellence. Inside, effortless living. The living space welcomes you with calm sophistication. Panoramic windows invite the outside world in, while maintaining an atmosphere of privacy and exclusivity. Plush seating, minimalist design, and carefully balanced lighting create an environment where every mile feels peaceful. The dining area continues this philosophy with refined simplicity. Elegant surfaces, soft illumination, and seamless integration make every meal feel elevated. This isn't simply functional, it's experiential. In the kitchen, hidden systems, integrated appliances, and flawless premium finishes create a workspace that feels futuristic yet intuitive. Every feature is designed to maximize both beauty and practicality, ensuring that no matter where the road leads, luxury follows. Further inside, the sleeping area becomes a private retreat. Soft lighting, premium materials, and intelligent spatial design create an atmosphere where comfort feels natural. The master bedroom expands this experience, offering tranquility, openness, and a true sense of escape. Even the bathroom reflects this same dedication to perfection. Imagine this machine gliding through a futuristic city at night. Neon lights dance across its white body, reflections moving like liquid silver. It doesn't simply drive through the city, it transforms it. Then comes the mountains. As roads climb through dramatic landscapes and endless skies, the Bugatti 6x6 moves with absolute confidence. Every curve is smooth. Every ascent feels effortless. This is not about conquering terrain through force, it's about mastering it through precision. In snowy landscapes, the pure white exterior blends beautifully into frozen surroundings, creating a vision of elegance in even the harshest environments. Inside, warmth and luxury remain untouched. Through forests, sunlight filters through towering trees, casting moving shadows across the sculpted body. Nature and machine merge into a single cinematic experience. And along coastal highways, the journey becomes art. Ocean waves crash below towering cliffs while the sunset reflects gold and crimson across the white bodywork. The horizon stretches endlessly ahead. Every mile feels unforgettable. Finally, as the day fades, the motorhome comes to rest at a breathtaking overlook. So the real question is, why follow the road when you can redefine